2018 Ford Super Duty F-250 SRW with less than 71,000 miles on the odometer. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: four-wheel drive, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, brake assist, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, stability control, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, variable speed intermittent wipers, air conditioning, ABS, front side airbag, front side head airbag. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.